Can your bank actually help you split the bill? Ever notice how sometimes adulting feels like a never-ending game of passing around cash? Dinner with friends, rent split with roommates, that random favor your sibling needs, it's a constant flow of, hey, can you send me some money? Now, the old way of handling this involved questionable amounts of crumpled bills shoved into envelopes or, even worse, the dreaded I'll get you next time. Thankfully, those days are over, or at least on their last legs, thanks to the magic of online money transfers. But with a million fintech apps and online banks out there, how do you know which one is right for you? Well, today we're diving deep into SoFi to see if it can be your financial wingman when it comes to sending and receiving cash. So, buckle up and get ready to learn. Can you actually send money with SoFi? The short answer, yes, you can. Let's get the big question out of the way first. Yes, SoFi allows you to send money to pretty much anyone with a U.S. bank account, SoFi member or not. This is all thanks to their peer-to-peer, P2P, transfer feature, which essentially lets you send money directly from your SoFi account to another person's bank account. But here's the thing, there's more to the story. While SoFi gets a gold star for offering free P2P transfers, there are a few things to keep in mind before you start virtually showering your friends with cash. First up, there are limits on how much you can send. Think of it like a trust-building exercise. SoFi starts you off slow, with a $250 sending limit for the first 7 days after you sign up. But don't worry, responsible money management is rewarded. After a month of good behavior, read, not sending suspicious amounts of money, the limit bumps up to a more generous $1,000 per transfer. There's also the question of speed. If you're both SoFi members, congratulations. Your money transfers will be instantaneous, meaning your friend will see the cash hit their account as soon as you hit send. Pretty neat, right? But if you're sending money to someone who isn't a SoFi member, things slow down a bit. These transfers typically take 1 to 3 business days to show up in the recipient's account. So, if you're splitting a pizza and need the money to hit their account right away, SoFi might not be your fastest option. SoFi P2P, beyond the basics. Now that we've covered the core functionality, let's explore some of the other cool things SoFi's P2P feature has to offer. For starters, you can schedule transfers. This means you can set up a recurring payment to go out to your roommate every month for rent, or send a birthday gift to your bestie a week in advance. No more scrambling at the last minute, adulting just got a little easier. Plus, SoFi lets you add a little personal touch to your transfers with a quick note. So, you can ditch the awkward "this is for." Text and let your friend know exactly what the money's for: birthday gift, rent contribution, payback for that time you borrowed their car. Is SoFi the right money transfer app for you? So, the big question remains, should SoFi be your go-to for sending and receiving money? Well, if you're looking for a free, user-friendly way to send cash to friends and family with U.S. bank accounts, SoFi is a strong contender. The free transfers, scheduling options, and ability to add notes are all definite perks. However, if you need to send money super fast or internationally, SoFi might not be the best fit. There are other services out there that specialize in these areas and might offer a better solution. Ultimately, the decision comes down to your specific needs. But hey, that's the beauty of all these fintech options, you have choices. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.